Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Trion 255649-102. Their air bearer, their 20 inch by 25 inch by 5 inch MERV 8 high performance air purifier filter replacements. So it's replacement for Air Bear Supreme. It's a right angle and Cub Air Cleaner Purification System. It's a 3-pack. Make sure that you replace a MERV 8 with a MERV 8 system, because that determines the resistance of the actual airflow. So this came in a nice large box, protected, and you can see each one of them is individually wrapped. There's over 2,300 excellent customer ratings. So these really work by fitting into your compatible air duct air cleaners on your furnace to remove particles and other airborne. There is a place to put the date. I recommend you put the date on there. The average life of this is going to vary based on how much dust is in your house and how often you use your furnace or your air conditioner. But in general, they last. I've been changing them once a year, and you can always blow them out with a compressor also gently, but they last a long time and they work really well. And it's a basic lightweight, made out of material of cardboard and fiber material and really thin metal material that they embed into the actual furnace filter. If you look here behind the light, you could see that there is a mesh of metal to keep it rigid, and this is cardboard. And the reason why they have it going in and out that you see like that, that's increased the surface area, so that if you were to unravel that, this would be a much larger surface area, so that the air has more area to go and put impurities in there. But this is a great value on Amazon, and you don't have to go through any commercial supplier, just get it right on Amazon. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.